needing to secure your shelter, haul firewood, or even save a life without a single piece of rope. Being caught in the wilderness without essential gear can be terrifying, but what if I told you that one of the most versatile tools, rope, can be crafted from the very nature around you? Today, we are diving deep into the ancient art of cordage making, transforming common plants into lifeline-grade rope that could literally save your hide. Mastering this skill isn't just about survival, it's about empowerment. When you're out there, a simple piece of cordage can be the difference between comfort and disaster. It can help you make a bow drill for fire, construct a makeshift shelter, create snares, or even set a broken bone with a splint. Most people pack a few feet of paracord, but what happens when that runs out, or you need something much longer or stronger? That's when you turn to the trees and plants around you. The best natural materials for making rope come from the inner bark of certain trees or strong plant fibers. Think basswood, cedar, elm, or willow. These trees have a flexible, fibrous layer just under their outer bark. You can also use dried nettle stalks, yucca, or agave leaves if they are available. Even tough grasses or roots can work in a pinch, though they'll make weaker cordage. My personal favorite is basswood. It's like nature's duct tape once you know how to work it. To harvest tree bark, carefully select a small branch, or a thin section from a larger tree, and peel off a strip of the outer bark. Then, you'll see the lighter, often slicker, inner bark layer. Gently peel this away in long strips. Remember, never girdle a live tree, cut all the way around, as it will kill it. Once you have your strips, you might need to soak them in water if they are dry and stiff. This makes them more pliable. For tougher materials like yucca leaves, you might need to pound them with a rock to separate the fibers. The goal is to get long, thin, flexible strands of fiber. Now, you've got these long, flimsy strips. But how do you turn them into something strong enough to hold weight, to truly function as a rope? This is where the magic and the technique comes in. This is the oldest form of manufacturing known to humankind, going back tens of thousands of years. We are going to use a simple technique called two-ply reverse twist. It sounds fancy, but it's really quite easy once you get the hang of it. Start with 2 prepared strands. Hold them together and fold one of them in half, creating a loop. Now, you have 2 working ends. Take the right-hand strand and twist it tightly away from your body, clockwise. Then, bring that twisted strand over the left-hand strand, pinching them together. Now, the old left-hand strand is on the right. Take this new right-hand strand, twist it away from your body, and bring it over the left. You keep repeating this motion, twist, cross over, twist, cross over. Each time you twist a strand, you're building tension. When you cross it over, you lock that tension in, creating a strong, intertwined cord. The key to a continuous, strong rope is adding new material before your current strand runs too short. When a strand gets to about 4 or 5 inches, grab a new, fresh strip of fiber. Lay the new strip parallel to the short one, overlapping it by a few inches, and simply twist the new fiber into the existing strand as if it were one continuous piece. Maintain consistent tension throughout. This is critical for a strong rope. Don't let it loosen up, or your rope will be weak and unravel easily. The tighter you twist and the more consistent you are, the stronger your finished rope will be. Keep going until your arm gets tired or you have enough rope for your immediate needs. This isn't just about survival, it's about reconnecting with ancient skills that built entire civilizations. You've just learned how to turn raw nature into a functional, life-saving tool. This skill isn't just about making rope, It's about understanding resourcefulness and adapting to any situation the wilderness throws at you.